In this video, I'll guide you through how to create an eBay seller account in Australia. Whether you're looking to declutter your home or start a business, setting up an eBay seller account is a great way to reach a wide audience. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to the eBay Australia website by typing in ebay.com.au. Once the page loads, you'll find yourself on the home page of eBay Australia. From here, look towards the top left corner of the page. You should see an option labeled Register. Go ahead and click on that. Now, you'll be presented with a choice. You can select either a personal account or a business account. This decision depends on how you plan to use your eBay account. If you're just selling a few items from around the house, a personal account will suit you best. However, if you intend to sell regularly or operate under a business name, then a business account will be more appropriate. Let's start with creating a personal account. Begin by entering your first name and last name in the provided fields. Make sure to use your real name, as eBay may verify this information later on. Next, you'll need to enter a valid email address. This is where eBay will send important notifications and updates, so ensure it's one you check regularly. After that, create a strong password. A good practice is to use a mix of letters, numbers, and special characters to enhance security. Once you've filled in all your details, click on the button that says Create Personal Account. If you prefer, eBay also offers the option to continue with Google, Apple, or Facebook. By selecting one of these, you can link your eBay account to an existing profile, which might simplify the login process in the future. Now, if you chose to set up a business account instead, the process is slightly different. Start by entering your business name. This is the name that customers will see, so choose something that accurately represents your brand. Next, enter your business email. Just like with a personal account, eBay will use this to send you notifications and updates. Then, create a password, following the same security guidelines mentioned earlier. You'll also need to provide information about where your business is located. This helps eBay determine applicable taxes and shipping options for your sales. After filling in all the necessary fields for a business account, you'll see a checkbox. Make sure to click this, as it confirms you agree to eBay's user agreement and privacy policy. Finally, click on Create Business Account to complete the process. And there you have it. You've successfully created an eBay seller account in Australia. Now you're ready to start listing items and making sales. Remember to keep your account information up to date and monitor your listings regularly to ensure a smooth selling experience. If you encounter any issues or have questions, eBay's help section is a great resource. Happy selling!